Machiegni kendo nya kwa Ramogi. Jatend migao mar Somo Julius Migos Ogamba lero ni chenro manyien mar siro Somo mbalariany goyo kang' makare ka ng'ikruok mane obedo chakruok chenro ni dhi karumo. Kano wuoyo e sikund mbalariany ma Masai Mara e kinde mane isidho gudu ne jopuonjre, Ogamba nolero ni omenda maromo bilion 41 osetigodo e mbalariany ma pacho ka siro jopuonjre maromo 240 kokalo kuom hola nyaka ne chenro manyien mag siro somo chakre higni 2 mokalo. Gope mag mbalariany maromo shillings bilion 60 bende Ogamba wacho ni sirikal keto kenge mag konyo chulogi.
You may recall, by 2023, our public universities were indebted to the tune of 60 billion. Out of the 40 public universities or so, 23 had been declared technically insolvent. The introduction of the new funding model for higher education, also known as the student-centered funding model, was designed to specifically address these challenges and restore our universities to a path of growth and sustainability. Since the introduction of the model in 2023, the government has so far disbursed 41 billion in student loans and scholarships for the benefits of a total of 240,000 students. As I speak today, our public universities have reported that the student-centered model is progressively easing their financial challenges and are in a better position to pay their debts. This is indeed a confirmation that once the initial and formative rollout challenges are addressed, the funding model will be the lasting solution to the financial challenges that our public universities face.
Jogo ma higgi oniang' e kaunti ma Siaya koro dwaro ni omenda ma ichulogi dwe ka dwe e bwo chenro mar inua jamii omedi kowuok shillings 2,000 kokalo kuom